This roasted potato and green bean sheet pan side dish is really flavorful and easy to make, and you only have one pan that's dirty. Prepare your potatoes and then add olive oil. I did about 2 tablespoons, and then for seasonings I did 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add that in, mix it all up. Doesn't take, it's really easy. And then pour that onto your sheet pan. Bake it for 20 minutes. I did mine at 425 degrees because I wanted to have everything nice and crispy on the potatoes when it got done. While those are baking, prepare your green beans. And for what I added on top of the green beans is 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Anyways, mix that all up. And as you can tell, I cut the green beans into about 2-inch pieces. They're all prepared. Put that right on top of your potatoes. Stir your potatoes up a little bit before you add them. And once you add them, go ahead and bake it for another 20 minutes. And that's it. Stir it up and serve and enjoy. It's delicious.